What's up?
Wait. Before you do,
What?
go on.
Okay. What's up, guys? So that the series of tons of chase is going to be taking a break. Ever since I did that chase, that thing's giving me PTSD. I can't take it. So we're playing a new game, which is something of nature. Oh, the Wrath of Nature, and I'm with my boy. Speak.
Wow. Sammy boy, yeah, me. And Rig.
He's not even human.
Sure he is.
Yeah, he looks
Rig,
human, but
come
he
on.
ain't.
Speak, Rig. Mi amigo. Stop doing that to Rig, bro. Stop doing that to Rig.
Okay. So, yeah. So basically, this game is mostly about chasing tornadoes. Speaking of a tornado, we got
What?
formation. So let's go to that storm over there.
Can I question you?
There's two storms, so we can either go for the one that's furthest or closest. Well, obvious choice, the closest.
Real. Wait, I wanna go to the closest. We get money though. Wait, we make money over time now.
Yeah, just by driving. Oh, I did not know you was right behind me.
We. Oh, what is that big buzz over there?
Oh, that's the
Wall
rain.
cloud.
Oh, we got
What?
formation.
I see it. Oh hell yeah, this is sneakers old school, my guy.
Oh, we're in the hell cloud.
Hell,
I think the tornado is coming down right now. It's touching down.
I, I feel like we're going slower.
Yeah, kind of. Tornado is on the ground. IP is on the. Did you just go translucent? That weather. Oh,
Uh, oh,
it's becoming bigger. Way too
it's
big.
huge.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, uh, let's go.
Having also grown. We're still making it. Oh shot. Oh god.
Uh, uh,
Oh god.
oh, oh,
I'm still going down.
oh, Jesus
No. Oh
Christ.
god.
Jesus
Oh
Christ.
god.
Oh, I live. Somehow.
Same. I just died, bro. Bro, I was in the water for someone to. I need to keep my program, man.
Oh, I'm lagging. Jesus Christ. I am getting fling like I just don't care.
Auto. Okay, there we go.
Are you alive?
King. I'm dead, bro. I just gotta be fine, bro. Where are you?
I'm right behind the tornado. Oh, it's getting. Oh, what is that? Um.
I think it's
Uh.
a cone, right?
No, that's not even a tornado at that point.
It's a mutated tornado to make it red.
We need to probe this thing somehow.
I'm trying to do that, right? I just died. I mean, at least you can probe it, but I mean, you can break the record or something.
This is
I
the
need a different route.
this is the only game I can break my record in twisted.
I need a different route. Hey, I could buy the drone.
Oh. This monster of a tornado.
Wait, oh my god, it's a bunch of pop-ups. Oh god. How do I avoid these? Oh my god. I don't care, bro. Just leave me alone. Oh god, bro.
I think I can catch up to it.
How many miles is it going?
I have no idea. The storm speed is 78. It doesn't feel like it's going 78.
I wish you could zoom in, like zoom like in a map or something like this. I just can't do that.
It's hitting a town, I think.
What the?
I I
I
can't even.
could barely see the road. Wait, you hear that?
That's the. Oh, that's spooky.
What?
Is it shifting right to me? It look. Oh, it's kind of shifting to me.
Whoa, wait. Why is it making that sound? Why is it making that sound? If that can't freak me out.
This thing is definitely 200 plus. I'm gonna try to get a probe down if I can risk it. Wait. Come on, I can do this. Like and subscribe.
I'm gonna take that D.
Okay, I can't go that way, so I might have to go underwater for this. Wait, do I?
Are you risking your life, baby? I hate when it makes that noise, like ooh, like a whale sound.
I'm basically risking my life right now.
Oh yeah, I just got a boost. I might make it.
Deploying probe. Okay, get to the car.
I'm going.
Get to the car. Go, go, go. It's right there. Come on.
The building.
Go, drive, go.
Now I am on a roll.
Oh, what the? Oh.
What?
It disappeared for a split second. Oh, 224 miles per hour.
Oh hell no! I mean, oh hell yeah, that's good. I mean, I could make it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna yeah. Am I intercepting it? Did I intercept it? Nah, I'm not.
I mean, you won't die. You're just gonna get flamed very far.
Is it shifting?
Uh, kind of. It's like right in my probe. Like, why do
Oh
I have
god.
to reset? I have to reset just to get a new probe. Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Wait, what?
I can't buy a new probe.
All right, guys. I'm about to probe this thing.
I might intercept it because I don't want to reset.
I can feel the wind feel.
Oh, I just died. I went off the map. Bro.
This is my only. This is my only stop. I can't do anything.
I went off the map.
Yeah, I can't do anything. I just gotta leave it there. Oh, I think it's going my direction.
Yeah, it's going right to your direction.
Oh God.
Oh, I
No,
fell.
you ain't getting me.
I fell off the
It ain't
map.
getting. It ain't getting me, bro.
It's going translucent. I can see it all the way from wherever that town name is.
Yeah, it's going straight to the ocean, like to the lake. Hopefully, I get a good amount. Okay? Miles per hour. Oh hell yeah, this is what I like. I'm gonna buy myself a drone
What
for
the?
some reason.
What? Man.
200 miles per hour. Oh, never mind.
Oh, it got way taller now.
No, I'm not 200.
It got way taller.
That's the pressure. Wait, did I just get scammed?
What does the wind speed
It, it
say?
no, like I bought a drone, but it didn't it just didn't spawn for me. My
Oh,
inventory.
yeah, you definitely got scammed. Oh,
Let me try again. Oh, I can't. Maybe my. Yeah, bro. I just got scammed.
and it went translucent. Like, what is that shape?
Oh, it's definitely getting weaker. Not a lot.
Wait, is that multi vertex I see?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Wow, that's the first time me ever seeing one in this game.
I saw one yesterday.
This shape kind of reminds me of one tornado.
Like, what do you mean? What kind of what are you talking about?
The 2007 Greensburg.
Rainsburg. I keep saying, bro, there's a lot of there's a lot of people like when they see a big massive tornado, they be saying El Rio tornado, bro.
Yeah, like people just don't understand. Jesus Christ, I can't be seeing things, right? I know dang well I just saw a multivert. What is that?
Yo, I don't know.
It's going way too
Um,
fast. And it just disappeared. Nice, okay.
I'm next to it now. Like, I'm pretty a little. I'm a little too close, you know, too close to for comfort. So you think you have to like reset to get
Yeah,
your probe back, right?
yeah, for some reason. Jesus Christ, I knew it. I wasn't hallucinating. Golly, what is that?
I'm chasing it.
There's one, two, three of them. Oh, I see you.
Bro, the tornado sector looks too dark now. It looks like a burnt crispy taco.
Yeah.
Like, damn, bro, they gotta be that dark, bro. Like, come on, bro. Bro, I swear to God, bro. I'm gonna just kill myself. Oh my God, bro. Come on, bro. What is wrong with this game? Why? And I just got. Wait, you say you have to buy your own probe, right? Like when you die, right?
No, you just have to reset if you want it back.
Yeah, I could tell. Yeah, it's like, let me get in your car. There's a lot of stuff I need to do. So how's your day going, my boy?
Uh, it's all
Yeah,
right.
fine. It's all right. It's all right. It's good. Right? It's good.
Yeah.
It's good. It's good. Yeah, good. Right. 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 Nothing happened. Right.
Yeah, not yeah.
Yep. Could do.
Definitely
Nothing could do.
definitely nothing happened at school.
Don't mention school again.
I
But they're good. They're good. They're good.
might play this game now instead of Helicity and Twisted.
Yeah. The good part is they got Dominator 1, Dominator 2, Dominator 3, Tip 1, Tornado Puncher, Tornado Attack, Tornado Ranger, UTAB, Armadillo. Wait, did you know they renamed Armadillo?
They
They renamed Armadillo.
to what?
I don't know. Wait. Uh, oh, it's called the Brooklyn. It's called Brooklyn.
Ain't that a state name?
Yes, it's called Brooklyn.
What?
They renamed it. It's called Brooklyn.
So before it was called a state and now it's called the Armadillo.
No, like no, they got no Armadillo. That used to be its name. Now it's called Brooklyn.
Yeah, let's just name our car a freaking state. Very good idea. Actually, yeah, that's actually unique.
Oh God, you got nighttime time, bro.
Oh wow.
Hello. Oh, the midnight road trip now, man. Yeah.
I
Uh, I'm, I'm,
guess.
I'm, gonna, I'm gonna put myself up a flashlight. What is it?
Oh, looks like the day ended and now it's a enhance. We don't like enhance, so time to do the outro.
Oh God.
Anyways, uh. So that would be it for today, guys. Um, very good game. I love the weird looking shapes of that tornado. And what do you have to say?
Oh, what I gotta say for the outro. I pretty much this game is pretty bop now. I kind of like it. It's pretty good. And you can make easy cash like just by just doing nothing. Just you make cash over time. Overall, this game I give a rating of 8 out of 10. Pretty fun, but the only thing that lacks is just nothing. Just the only thing that lacks is doesn't give me my stupid drone, my guy.
Um, so yeah, guys, that's the wrath of nature. Always remember, be happy.
Yeah, stay positive.
That's my line.
Don't care. I'm taking your line.
No, that's plagiarism.
Fine.
Anyways, like I was saying, ow. Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
just.
Oh God.
Anyways, always remember, stay happy, stay positive, always ignore those hate comments and love yourself. Yeah. Yeah, see ya.
Yeah, my car is stuck.